We all know that eating slower is important for so many reasons. It's helpful to our digestion, it helps to improve our enjoyment of food, and it also helps to reduce overeating. But how do we make it happen? Here are three easy techniques that will help you in 1 minute or less and make a dramatic difference to how you eat. The first is very easy. Eat with your non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so putting my fork in my left hand. This is going to help to slow you down naturally while you eat. It's a little bit like writing with a pencil in your opposite hand. You have to give eating all of your attention. The second technique is to buy a red plate, any kind of red plate. Clinical studies have shown that our minds are very responsive to the color red. We automatically stop or slow down when we see the color red. Think about a stop sign. We don't have to tell ourselves to stop, we just do it. So putting your food on a red plate helps to put on those brakes and slow us down without any effort whatsoever. And the third technique is to smile between bites. It's really helpful while we eat to take a pause and check in with ourselves and ask, am I still hungry? Do I want to continue to eat? Sometimes we put that fork down, but this is a much easier and faster technique. Also, an added benefit is when we smile, we send off signals to the brain that help release some of that serotonin, that feel-good chemical, and this also helps to reduce emotional eating. So remember this motto to help you to eat slower. Pace, don't race.